This is something we're doing for the first time, and personally, I haven't seen something like this being done on another show or a podcast before. I love putting my hands in first. Sorry, that's. I love putting my hands first and then. Something like this being done on another show or a podcast before.
There was a reporter who was like, so how do you feel you're officially an astronaut? मैं बस में बैठूं तो मैं कंडक्टर हूँ.
Who likes Taylor? Why do they like Taylor Swift so much more than people like
She's
J. Cole
literally just a
and
hot bimbo.
Kendrick? Exactly, dude. I don't understand. Okay, fine, I understand. Justin is all that. He has all the Phantom Tax, Rizzler, Skippy, toilet,
Aura.
whatever, aura bullshit. But then
They started holding hands and they started doing it a lot.
Hi guys, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Zia.
I'm Dhritika.
And we are Besharam.
Today we're in a little bit of a fun mood.
Yes.
We've got something new for you.
Something's packing.
Yeah. We what we're going to do this episode, and we really hope you like it because we
Yeah.
worked really hard on it.
This is something we're doing for the first time, and I don't know if we've seen, I personally haven't seen something like this being done on another show or a podcast before.
I've seen it in college fest.
We're bringing back
Bring
the
it
college
back.
days,
I will
bro.
Bring it back.
I was
Go back. Go.
We were inspired by that Seedhe Maut concert at that one Delhi University thing. You've heard of it, right?
No.
No.
There was this Seedhe Maut concert or like a pro night at you know ना बड़े फेस्ट में pro nights होते हैं.
Oh, those.
हाँ, तो वहाँ पर सीधे मौत आ रहा था. There were like kilometers of few kilometers long line to even get into the college to see that Seedhe Maut. It got cancelled.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Bro,
It got
I don't wanna
people were
name this-
climbing walls.
I know what you're getting
I
at.
don't want to
barbed
name this
wire.
college,
Mhm.
but they sold so many tickets for this one fest that there was such a big line outside the college,
Malhar.
and
Yep.
they had to cancel. They had to send those people back, dude.
They
That's
always
so
do that.
evil.
I've never
Do they
had
buy
to...
the tickets to get in?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
Is it?
No, they don't have to buy
They
them.
don't buy
They
tickets.
book them.
Okay, book. But ठीक है, if you book
But-
it,
That's still crazy.
you're booking it with the intention of attending it, right?
But if
Exactly.
you want a life hack, guys, truly just say you're a participant. I've never had a problem and I've always been a participant at Malhar. So this has truly never been a problem for me. So if you want to
Yeah.
get into
Just-
like watch your favorite
Yeah.
artist, do
जो
that.
बाहर लाइन खड़ा है ना, बस पूछ लो आपका सीसी क्या है, वो सीसी याद कर लो और बोलो मैं ये सीसी का पार्टिसिपेंट हूँ.
हाँ.
Sorted.
Sort, bhai.
क्योंकि
Life hack.
nobody is saying college names.
Nobody said. Yeah, you can't say the college name.
You can't say the college
Right,
names. so-
right.
Well,
But
wherever. I said wherever.
Whatever. Okay,
New
so
challenge.
what the premise of this video is that we're gonna pick out like few topics that we're gonna discuss, and Maitri, who's our producer from behind the camera,
Welcome,
Maitri.
Maitri. Maitri,
बस बस बस.
please say hi.
Hi guys.
isn't she hot?
She's really. She's actually wearing no clothes.
Means?
But yeah, she's gonna give us certain rules that we have to adapt to mid-episode, and we just have
Made
to.
conversation.
Mid-conversation, and the loser who doesn't adapt to these rules has to perform a challenge at the end of this video.
One more
So stay
unspoken
tuned.
rule is that if you don't adapt to the rule in the next 3 sentences,
The topic.
you're at fault.
The topic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, there's a big challenge at the end. Whoever falters the most is going to have to do the big challenge.
Yes.
And it's going to be really fun.
And if you didn't understand, just wait and
And
watch, and
Yeah.
you'll understand.
So basically, we want to cover a bunch of topics and we want to make it as fun as possible.
it's gonna be masaledar with the rules.
Very masaladar. So
So-
let's get into it. What's our first topic?
Okay guys. So your first topic is a take that you're super passionate about, but you have to have no expressions, no tone change or no
Okay.
like anything basically. You have to give me a very deadpan nonchalant expression
Got it.
and voice while you tell me about your most passionate take.
Can we use hands?
No.
So my most passionate take has to be how you wear your clothes. Specifically, I feel like you have to go in head first. That's just how you have to do it. And hands go second. When you're wearing a t-shirt, your head goes first and your hands go second, because then you're able to see where your sleeves are.
Got it.
and I'm really passionate about this because my mom just always made me wear clothes like that, and
I think that is the correct way.
that is
To wear
a
a
lot of
t-shirt.
people do hands first and then like
I
get
do
lost in
hands
the tea.
first.
You get lost
Wait.
in.
I love putting my hands in first.
Yeah, actually
Sorry,
same.
that's head first, hand first.
I love putting my hands first and then my head goes in.
Yeah, I'm like hand, and then t-shirt is
Two hands.
adjusted. Yes, both the hands.
Both hands go. No, both hands do not go first. Actually, then you get lost in the t-shirt.
The right goes first and the left and then your
Yes. Yeah.
Really?
head. Yeah.
Yes.
That's
T-shirt head first is a little whack to me.
another thing I'm so passionate about is how restaurants are laid out. I cannot deal with the low seating and even lower sofas. I don't know how restaurants
Same.
keep
I
doing that.
Also,
I don't
when
like. I also don't like when restaurants don't have a physical menu. Please give me a physical menu.
I do
do
not
not
want to
want
scan
to
a QR.
scan a QR
I don't want to
code.
go through 100 of those.
I don't want to go on my phone in a social setting where I'm trying to avoid using my phone and then you make me fucking use a
Mhm.
digital
A phone.
And guess
device.
what? It never works.
It never works.
It never works.
Another thing I'm extremely passionate about is maximalism. I love being a maximalist.
Yes.
Mhm.
Everything about me should be maximalist, including the way I dress, to my nails, to the place I want to live in.
I love a
Mhm.
kitschy little
I love there to be
Vibe.
a lot of
What?
a
chaos.
kitschy vibe, something that's a little bit cheap looking,
Okay.
but
It looks
sharp
yes.
and modulating too much.
Something that looks affordable but still looks fancy is what kitschy is.
No, it is like you wore Kolaba Causeway.
I
Okay.
love collab.
A very chunky jewelry,
Right.
Just a little bit like there is no rhyme or reason, but there's always a
It's
rhyme or reason.
it's
Mhm.
borderline. What the fuck are you wearing?
I'm gonna slay
You
it.
can't be
I'm gonna own
maximalist
it.
in Bombay because it's just so hot. You can't layer.
And
it's
also
hard
the
to live in a
people-
city where people don't,
don't
get
get-
my aesthetic.
Yes, people don't get the vibe that you go for. I think one thing.
The only problem with living in a city that doesn't understand
Understand
pop
pop
culture
culture. Mhm.
is that I cannot be a maximalist. I can't layer, and people are gonna think I'm homeless.
I'm homeless and I don't have clothes. Speaking about the thing that I'm most passionate about is the fact that cheese does not belong on every single thing.
It
You're so
absolutely
wrong.
does not.
Cheese belongs with everything.
Cheese belongs on
No.
dhokla.
Cheese belongs only on pastas, a little grating on top, pizzas, obviously, grill sandwiches, and that's it.
Why is there
Not
cheese on my dhokla?
Everything has to be
I
cheesy
think
and
if
creamy.
you want it, cheese can go with everything. It's just a mindset.
I think
No.
even more passionately of corn. They put corn in everything, especially
Corn,
vegetarian.
I can debate on.
Corn should
Mhm.
not exist. Why is it everywhere, including my poop?
I love
Bitch, that is so true. Like,
And it's
Mhm.
sometimes I think that the whole corn cob will come in my poop, bro.
no,
I love
really.
a
You're
corn on the
pooping a corn
cob.
cob.
Yeah.
I love a
Yes.
corn on the cob. I love a corn in a cup.
I hate corn. Another thing that I'm extremely passionate
Mm.
about is peanuts should not exist on chatpata food.
No, I am
100%
against that.
disagree. It does
Why
not-
are peanuts on my safe puri and pomegranate on my
I
safe
agree
puri?
with the fact
Pomegranate's
if it's not salted, if it's the plain one, I agree they should not belong. But if it has a little masala on it and it goes
The
so
Gujarati
well,
kind.
peanut-
yes, it goes so well with the bhel or the sepri that you're eating. Even daweli.
I am of the
Mhm.
strongest belief that peanuts should only be had when you're having
Daru.
daru. It should only be eaten as chakna.
I
No.
hate a peanut in a chicken dish. I hate cashews in a
hate it.
chicken dish. I hate them in poha even more.
I
I will
love-
throw the poha out if there's a peanut in my poha. Another thing is that I do not fuck with kishmish in my biryani.
Nobody puts kishmish in their biryani.
On pulao, they put kaju and kishmish.
I don't mind a good kaju.
It's a Parsi dish. It's called berry pulao. Have you
I
heard
do
of
not
it?
like that.
It's just cranberries, kishmish, etc.
I do not
In
like
pulao.
that.
Wow. But I don't mind a little no flavor kaju that's a little soft with a very flavorful biryani or a rice
No flavor
dish.
kaju. Why is it even there?
I really enjoy the flavor of it. I like a combination
She
of
really
food
enjoys the no flavor flavor.
yes, with a lot of flavor, a little bit no flavor goes a long way with
You're
me.
talking about the texture, aren't you?
the texture and the flavor.
You like the crunch, don't you?
It's not crunchy. It's a little soft when you
So
cook
what
it.
do you
That
like?
sounds.
It's just sounds great.
It
Sounds
sounds
sad.
horrible.
No, I think I am all for it.
There is this dish in my village or in my culture that they
Culture.
make. It's called kaju aloo.
What?
Kaju aloo.
Literally what it means. It sounds disgusting. I'm so
Kaju.
sorry.
That sounds
Kaju ki
disgusting,
sabji
honestly.
with aloo.
No,
Kaju and aloo ki sabji.
no, I would no. That's
I'm trying
offensive.
not
With
to make
onion.
a face, but my eyes are wide open.
that's offensive to aloo. That's offensive to kaju.
That's offensive to food.
Apparently people
Yes.
like it a lot, but I don't like it. If I have to eat it, I'll just pick out the aloo.
Okay, I think we're good on that. How
We
about-
did it.
That was not bad.
Okay, how about talking about your favorite artist? Like you're a pick me
Mm-hmm.
girl.
Listen, I'm so passionate.
Wait, I
when
need the hands,
say
right.
this. I am so
Yeah.
passionate when I say this
Mhm.
that I literally am not like other girls.
You really are not.
I love rap,
Yes.
especially J. Cole.
You're not wearing lenses. You're wearing glasses.
I don't know how to put it in my
I
eye, dude.
already-
Like,
Really?
I
cannot.
already got my ticket. Me and the boys, of course, we got our tickets to Travis.
Really?
And I was
Wow.
like,
Did Karan message you about it?
Karan message you?
He messaged me at 3 a.m. yesterday. He Snapchat me
Ew.
asking.
That's
about it.
disgusting. Honestly, I wouldn't do that. Mm-mm.
But like,
That's a big red flag. Messaging someone at 3 a.m. in the morning.
but like he does that to me, so I don't know if he does that to you guys also. But
Ew.
he messages
I'm-
me. So
I am.
He bought my tickets.
Whoa.
okay.
I mean,
He
I
told
was
me he
worried
was.
about. I was a little bit worried. I was like, how is my mom gonna, be convinced to let me go to Delhi? And then he was like, I'll convince your
Yeah.
mom.
Did he say that to you too? I tried to reason with him saying, I can't come. My mom's not going to allow me. He's like, oh my God, I'm just going to speak to auntie on your behalf and I think he's going to let me come.
Where's
Like,
my
shut
phone?
up.
Yeah, I
Shut
literally
up.
told my mom
Shut
that.
Where's my phone?
I literally told my mom that.
Could you
I'm-
text Baby Heart?
Okay.
Could you be like, we want to can the Travis thing?
You really shouldn't go.
shit, Really? Because
really
No,
should go.
that's
I
not.
don't-
That's
I
not
really
Karan.
think you should go and watch a football match or a screening somewhere with the boys. That's going to be
No,
great.
so
Mhm.
I was
I'm
really
going on
worried
Sunday.
about.
I love that for you.
Yeah, so they like I love football. For those of you who don't
Mhm.
know that I am
Who's
a
your favorite footballer?
Ronaldo.
For sure.
Yeah, I
For sure.
mean, he's so good.
I know I was having a debate with
Yeah.
Nikhil about it. He
Who's
was
his
like,
favorite?
yeah, he's only accused of being a
A fan.
no, Ronaldo. He's only accused of being
Wow.
a rapist, so it's fine.
Oh shit! No, because I
no,
play
it is
football.
fine because these
Yeah.
girls these days, all of their Taylor Swift shit.
Oh my God.
it's
I
all
cannot-
feminist.
I cannot fuck
I
with
cannot deal
fuck
with those
with Taylor
girls.
Swift, bro. I don't know
Mm.
who likes Taylor. Why do they like Taylor Swift so much when there's people like J.
She's
Cole,
literally just a
and
hot bimbo.
Kendrick
Mhm.
Exactly, dude.
Every single of a song sound the same.
and I don't know if
Change my mind if you can.
I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm gonna play on the turf with Karan and Nikhil and like the other guys on Sunday. So if
I
you
love
guys
it
wanna come
when
and
it's
watch-
Wow.
playing and we have some good rap music going on in
Mhm.
the background.
That's exactly the
It's
vibe
a
we're
full-
going for.
Yeah.
I'm playing with them. Yeah, I'm playing football with them on Sunday. Because I play football, right?
Yeah.
I love playing football.
I
one
don't
of my
get.
favorite
I don't get
sports.
girls who like tennis or like
Or
badminton
pickleball and stuff, bro.
Mm.
Actually, pickleball is fine. I
Pick
like
a true sport. Pick a true sport.
pick a manly sport.
Yeah,
like, what is all
the
of this?
fuck is this? I don't get it.
all
honestly.
sports, according to me, are manly because men were the one who started sports. Men were the one who started
Mhm.
music. Even
Music,
you've
I
heard of
think
Beethoven.
men-
You've heard of
Yeah.
I don't
any noble person
Mhm.
during history. It's
Bro,
all men.
I
They
don't
started
think
it all.
men deserve enough recognition. I think all these other women
Yeah.
are just shaming on men.
I think
don't get
feminism is the
reason.
problem.
I
I'm
really
not
think
a feminist. I'm genuinely not. I'm a
I'm
humanist.
not. Yes.
I'm an equalist. I
I'm
an
agree.
equalist,
I spoke
yes.
about it to Nikhil as well.
Really?
He's like one of my boys, and
Mhm.
we really bonded on Frank Ocean the other
Oh, I
day.
love it.
Yes.
And we
Mhm.
were just like debating on whether or not he should come back, and then we were talking about the industry, and you can't really have such conversations with
Yeah,
girls because they're all
yeah.
just so
Even,
self-absorbed.
I'm sorry, but
Discussing
like,
about stocks is not.
I genuinely don't understand. Like, I
Mhm.
literally message Karan if I have to invest somewhere. I like
What the
message
fuck
him.
is that arrow thing you
I don't know. I genuinely don't know. I'm just happy to see it going up sometimes. Then
Also,
I'm sad
like-
when it comes
like,
down.
how do you buy
I
stocks?
think that's.
I
fine.
think so too.
How do you buy stocks?
You just
The
click
fuck?
buy. I don't know.
I mean,
You add it to your cart, I think.
I think, right?
Could be, right?
Bro, I'm trying to scratch my eye for so long, and I'm genuinely going to stop wearing makeup because all I wear is mascara and
I
blush.
think you should
I
not.
genuinely don't know how you do it, dude.
Dude, you shouldn't do the mascara, honestly.
I'm only
You should go
doing-
natural.
My lashes are pretty long, actually. I don't
Mhm.
need mascara.
I'm
You
only
don't.
doing this because we're going to Auntie after this.
Yeah?
Me and the boys,
Oh, because-
Nikhil, Karan, Sushant.
Oh, because Karan,
Wow.
Karan told me that after Auntie, they're coming over to my house. I don't know if you guys are invited. Because it's just the guys and me.
Yeah, then I
Is
think
it?
I'm gonna set that
What
up.
are you going to do?
We're going to watch the match.
Football? IPL?
Yeah. No, football. I don't watch cricket.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You
I just
don't-
watch
is it
football.
like-
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen that chick with the yellow jersey in the IPL thing?
Yeah, she's
Bro,
like,
they're so pick me.
she's so
So
passionate
big
about
me,
it.
oh
I'm
my
like, oh my
God.
god, I'm watching the
Like,
game.
get
The
over
only
it.
purpose
Ew.
And like, who's gonna explain the rules to her? There was
Yeah.
nobody around her that could explain
Right?
it.
And I feel the only purpose
At least
of
in the
these
video.
women dressing up and going to IPL matches is because they want the cameraman to look at them.
Yeah,
They
And
want
they want to be
attention, dude.
famous.
They
They,
just
want,
want
the attention,
attention.
and that is just so sad to think about.
Another
like, what are
thing-
you doing with your life?
Another thing that's
Literally.
so pick me is
Mhm.
just listening to DHH. According to
that?
me, they see hip hop.
Mhm.
Listening to see them or just to impress the man you're talking to. Like,
Even-
get over it. You weren't
yeah,
even there
ew.
back
And-
in 2021.
Who's the
we-
other tall guy? Seedhe Mautan?
Char
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 Diwali.
Diwali.
See,
Mhm.
Char
I love Char Diwali.
Diwali
honestly.
and me-
Great. I love
Diwali
his
and me,
movie.
we go way back.
Right?
I met him when he was studying in Karja. He was still in college. He was still in me. He hadn't even come out of the islands yet. And I had the boys. Like, one of them is somehow like friends with him, and
Mhm.
yeah, I met him and everything, and he's really chill like that.
Mhm.
And he was like,
He looks
But-
like it.
he was really chill, and he's just a really chill guy. One of those like, I don't drink, but I kind of like to get freaky sometimes.
Yeah.
And I mean, I wouldn't say we have history, but like, he was a really
Yeah.
nice guy. He was a really nice guy, and I just really fuck with his music. And all these girls are coming in now,
Yeah.
and they want to make their fucking lip syncs.
Mm.
Yeah.
It makes no sense because where were you when Siddharth was still indie and performing at
Where were
Auntie?
you when he first released a song and it wasn't that famous?
Dude,
Where the fuck were you
Karan,
then?
Karan took me to his first ever concert with the guys.
Justin Bieber, right?
No, Char Diwali.
Char Diwali.
Oh, Char Diwali's first ever concert.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I went to Justin Bieber with him.
With Karan.
With Karan because it was the only concert happening in
Oh,
Bombay
when was
at
that?
time.
When was that?
Just like 6 years ago.
Oh, I went
Oh.
with him like last
We are
year.
like childhood friends.
Wow.
Oh, he
But
never
yeah, his
mentioned
mom
you.
loves me.
He never
His-
mentioned you.
His mom loves my food.
I've heard
Really?
Karan seeing someone.
Oh my god, he's seeing me.
Is that you?
Yeah.
If it were you, I would have known. I don't think it's you.
I don't think it's you.
I don't
I'm
think
pretty
it's
sure
you.
it's me.
Okay, guys, you have to basically explain the Hailey Bieber, Justin Bieber, and Selena Gomez
Mhm.
lore to the people watching like they're 4-year-olds.
Okay.
You know, I'd in fact seen a reel of this mom explaining it to
Yeah.
her kid. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
We should go way back to the Disney times when I
Disney.
was like around your age actually. I was around 4 years old. And
yeah.
so this is really crazy.
Like, I would like to throw in the fact that Selena was not a music. Like, she was not a
She-
music artist. She was an actress before.
she was a
got into
Disney
music.
star before
She was.
anything else.
She was.
That's what used to happen to Disney stars. They used to they used to be actors and then they turned into
Music artists.
music artists
Celebrities.
like Miley Cyrus in Hannah Montana. You should watch it sometime.
Yes.
Yes.
Love that. So yeah, Selena Gomez started off as an actress on Wizards of Waverly Place
Which was a
And-
show
which was
at
a
our
show.
time.
at our time, and I think it's still there, but I don't think you would vibe with you would understand it anymore because Peppa Pig is in the picture now.
Coco Melon, bitch. I can't say bitch.
Baby,
Baby. Coco Melon.
Coco
baby.
Melon's in the picture, baby.
Yes.
So yeah, she started off as an actress on this show where after that she started doing shows. She started singing.
She started singing, and Justin Bieber was also a huge singer
Yes.
at that time. He was
Both
a
of
huge
them.
pop star, just similar to what Sean
No,
I don't
Jojo
know,
Siwa.
And they both.
Jojo Siwa.
And they were both in the same era together. Like,
Yes.
they
They were in the
both
same.
emerged as
They-
music artists at the same
What
time.
4-year-old
Yes.
knows the word emerged?
Both of them came
Came
out
in the industry of music
in
together.
the music space together.
They were both singers at the same time.
They were both singers,
Popular singers at the same time.
Yes,
And then they started maybe touching hands.
they started holding hands.
They started
and
holding hands
became
and they started
friends.
doing it a lot.
They became friends. They became
Re-
best
Really
friends हो गए.
वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन गए और
for
फिर एक स्टॉकर का क्या मतलब होता है?
पीछा करना.
पीछा करने वाली एक
गन्ने वाले
Diane.
को बीच में क्यों लाया यार?
नहीं उस
No.
जस्टिन बीबर की एक फैमिली फ्रेंड थी जो जिसका नाम हेली बीबर था. हेली बॉल्डविन था जो एक
हेली
बहुत बड़े डायरेक्टर
हाँ.
की
बेटी थी.
भतीजी थी.
That was her
Alec
dad.
Baldwin is also an actor, and Steve Baldwin or Stephen Baldwin was also an actor, but he primarily did like directing. Stuff. So just say कि she
वो
was,
एक फेमस फैमिली से आती थी
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
और उसकी फैमिली जस्टिन की फैमिली को जानती थी और वो बहुत रिलीजियस थे.
Hmm.
तो
कौन religious थे?
हेली की फैमिली और जस्टिन की
Okay.
फैमिली.
Okay.
सो जस्टिन बीबर और सेलेना गोमेज ऑफ कोर्स इस टाइम पे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे.
Yes.
Yes.
और एक बार उनकी कट्टी हो गई थी और उस टाइम पे हेली बीबर और उसके बहुत अमीर फ्रेंड्स जस्टिन बीबर से मिले और ऐसा बोला जाता है कि हेली बीबर को जस्टिन बीबर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था. उसे भी चाहिए था कि ये दोनों भी बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बने.
Yeah.
लेकिन सेलेना गोमेज पिक्चर में थी.
okay, Zia, now you have to start using Gen Z slangs unnecessarily.
So the
for as
kid
long
thing is
as I
over.
like. But you still have to explain the lore. But
हाँ,
now you
yeah,
have
as a
to
Gen Z.
Gen Z slangs.
Okay.
हाँ. So तो स्किबिडी हो गया.
That's Alpha. That's not Gen Z.
No, Gen Alpha only.
Gen
I guess.
Alpha.
Yeah,
Gen-
Gen
oh
Alpha.
my
Gen
god!
Alpha.
I don't
मुझे
know a
Gen
lot.
Alpha पता ही नहीं है.
I don't know a lot
तो
of
एक
slang.
Skibidi
सेकंड
toilet
तो
race
क्या
पता है बस.
हुआ? तो क्या हुआ? तो क्या हुआ?
Skibidi हुआ.
जस्टिन को हेली की गैट बहुत बड़ी लगी.
Selena से भी ज्यादा.
सेलिना से भी ज्यादा बड़ी लगी तो वो उसको डेट करने लग गया.
Yes.
और फिर सेलिना ने बोला कि मुझे भी रिस्क कर दो.
मेरी रिस्क किधर है भाई?
मेरी रिस्क किधर है? तो जस्टिन ने उसको रिजर्व कर लिया, उसको लूप कर लिया, बिल्कुल ग्लेज करने लग गया. और फिर एक महीने के लिए वो लोग गूनिंग कर रहे थे.
Bro, is this what a fucking millennial feels when they talk to a Gen
Yes.
Z?
ये लोग
Fuck is gooning?
ये लोग बिल्कुल गून कर रहे थे एकदम. और पूरी मीडिया को लगा कि ये वन ट्रू पेयर है. वन ट्रू पेयर बोलता है क्या?
I don't know. So Justin Bieber was a very big skibbity rizzler.
He
For
was.
both, because he wanted to sweep up Selena, but he also had a.
No, but the
He
fact
was phantom taxing
yes,
Haley.
the fact that as soon as Selena was
Right.
out of the picture, he had Haley.
Like,
was,
bro, what the fuck?
like that fact is
The problem
Those-
with this whole
Mhm.
thing was Haley at the end had really negative aura
Mhm.
because
Zero aura, bro.
they
Zero
said that
aura.
she was a pick me, like she was not she didn't
She was
deserve
not
the,
the it girl.
she did not deserve the grimace shake. She was not Haley Dunn. Who was that? Livy Dunn and
Who was Livy
who was
Dunn?
Livy Dunn?
somebody doesn't matter.
Okay.
So it was more like she was the people thought that Haley Bieber was not Livy Dunn.
Mm-hmm.
It was Selena Gomez
No
actually.
cap,
in
no cap,
fact,
bitch, no
no
cap.
cap at all.
No cap.
So what ended up happening was after Justin and Selena called it quits for the last time, and they were like, sorry, our auras just don't match. Haley was like, okay, this is my time to phantom tax this skibbity toilet.
Yeah.
Rizzler.
He's literally a skibbity toilet rizzler.
He is.
He was literally a rizzler. They rizzed up so
Honestly-
hard. They rizzed up the gat so hard. They got to gooning in like less than a year.
I don't understand. Okay, fine, I understand. Hey, Justin is all that. He has all the phantom tax, rizzler, skibbity toilet,
Aura.
whatever aura bullshit. But then he's a man at the end of the day. Why is he getting so many aura
He's
points?
not a man.
He's
He's
a
a
boy.
sigma.
He's a
He's
sigma,
Sigma
male.
boy.
He's a sigma.
He's a
you
sigma.
don't what the sigma?
He's a sigma. I'm sorry, but
Yes.
then why are Selena and Hailey Didi giving so much aura points to this Sigma boy?
Right.
I
don't
see
think
that.
I don't think
get
he deserves
it.
a Sigma boy.
Just
His GAT is not even. His GAT is like level 3 at max.
I would give it a 2.
Listen, combining Selena and Hailey, the both of the like goddesses that they are. I don't
You know,
think they
people
deserve
hated
him.
Hailey so much. They were like, "Oh my
Exactly.
god, she looks like a ear," and all the while she's mogging all of your bitches. Like she's all like, and you're like, "Okay, what am I gonna?"
Okay, guys.
That
think
was
that's
I
enough.
was
can't do any
I was
more of this.
struggling. I was
Oh my god.
I was
struggling.
actually not struggling as much as I thought.
Just your thoughts on Katy Perry's space tour.
So
Firstly, this news was dropped like a fucking bomb onto me.
yeah,
I did not know she
Yeah.
was going to space, and
Yeah.
there was no conversation of this happening at all.
She took world tour literally. She was like,
Yes.
I'll see the world in
World.
front of me while I'm singing.
Yeah.
in
Yes.
space.
That's
In space.
she was like being so dramatic, and I don't want to be a woman hater right now, but guys, it is not this feminist move that you think it is. These women going into space just because they sent women doesn't mean it's a feminist thing, because it's a commentary on what's that called? What did Marx say? Class. It's a commentary on the class divide, because these people are just really rich and privileged, and they're
Exactly.
using their women card as a shield. This is not the comment that they think like they're trying. This is propaganda. Basically, calling it
Yeah.
feminist is propaganda, because it's just space tourism.
Yeah.
And once the earth is no longer livable, these rich people are leaving, like how they did in this movie called Don't Look Up,
Yeah.
where there was an asteroid that was going to hit, and whoever could flew, like the president of the United States in the movie, left her son to die.
Crazy.
Yeah. And
Okay,
the
guys,
fact
wait.
that-
So the rule for this round is that you need to incorporate at least 3 movie titles in your answer each, not the way you used it, where you referenced a movie and then you
Oh, like
spoke
a
about
joke.
it. It has to flow in your sentence.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
So
So, because when real astronauts, okay,
when real astronauts do it, it's more like Interstellar, but when we do it, it's more like
Yes.
3 Idiots.
sort of, yes.
It's 100% like that.
Because are you playing Jadoo up there? Are you playing with Jadoo up there, bro?
Jadoo
Yeah,
is
like,
not.
what the fuck is this
He's a
Hera Fairy?
character.
Like, what the fuck is this Hera Fairy? I
Literally.
don't get it.
धूम मचा ले है क्या मतलब धूम मचा
Like,
ले
full
I
धमाल
think-
चल रहा है भाई.
I
Crazy.
think Katy Perry was all like, "Zindagi na milegi dobara," but
No, for real.
no,
Yeah.
she came down and she was so over dramatic.
So why did she
She-
kiss the floor?
Oh my god,
Really
did
bad.
she?
She said, "I'm putting the ass in astronaut." I lost it.
That's very Rani of her. Very queen of her. Very queen of her.
Very queen of her.
Very queen of her. I mean,
This is really difficult, Maitri.
This is really difficult. But what my point essentially was that when real astronauts are doing this, they're doing it for a purpose. They're doing it for space exploration,
Right.
for research. And then our queen has wasted
no,
so many
that's
resources
the point, right?
to do a world
So
tour.
many astronauts are working their asses off, doing so many of these different tests and G-force, this test, that test, all of that shit,
Yeah.
just to get into space.
You know what was the
It's
funniest
so
part?
difficult. And then this woman just, मतलब जाकर आ गई है फिर न्यूज़ मिल रही है.
No, the funniest part, no, of course, news pehle bhi aayi thi, but the funniest part of all of it was when she came down, there was a reporter, she was like, "So, how do you feel you're officially an astronaut?" मैं बस में बैठूं तो मैं कंडक्टर हूँ. अगर मैंने मतलब अगर I don't know how to explain this. अगर मैं हेयर कट कराऊं तो क्या मैं हेयर ड्रेसर हूँ?
This is a big khichdi, bro. Like,
Big kids.
Huge.
it's crazy.
And then she was like, "I feel super connected to love."
ये
भाई
क्या लव
ऊपर
यहाँ
वो-
पर चल रहा है?
वो अपना दिमाग भेजा फ्राई उसका भेजा फ्राई हो गया था
Oh, this is like really hard. I can't do this. This is extremely hard. What the
Suddenly, I've
hell?
forgotten every movie I've
I
watched.
have forgotten every
I've
movie.
forgotten
every movie I've watched.
every opinion I've had about
I've
this.
forgotten what my point is. The movie, my opinions, do they matter?
Do they matter?
I don't know if they matter or not.
Yeah, but
We're just gonna boss it up, you know.
all in all,
Boss it
I
up.
feel like
Boss baby.
I feel like this is just a ploy to make like space tourism more accessible to people. Like people are like, okay, now they did
But
it. Now we
why?
are gonna
Why should it be?
because rich people need something to spend.
Back up.
Imagine the fucking amount of carbon emissions just to like
Exactly.
Take a fucking
That's what I meant. That's
Exactly.
what I meant when I said real astronauts are doing this for exploration, for research.
Yes.
And then these people who are wasting these resources for fucking world tours.
She didn't even
Bakchodi
go
chal
up
rahi hai.
and sing extraterrestrial.
What did she
which
do?
is one of her biggest
Did
songs.
she go up there and sing?
She sang while coming down. She sang some song. Apparently, it was not planned. I don't believe that
I
for
don't
a
believe
second.
that.
There were other women in there with her also, and they were like, of course, they were token females. That's what happened. Did they break the glass ceiling? They broke it.
भाई ये अलग ही
Literally
हीरोपन
going
चल रही है इन लोगों के
past.
मुझे बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I don't fucking know what's going on.
You're doing
Yeah.
really well.
Unaware.
I'm really envious because I'm not able to think. Because I'm not able
What
to.
did you say?
I said ये अलग ही हीरोपंती चल रही है इन लोगों की.
Oh my god.
सबकी आती नहीं.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Maitri, you better make note of that.
Oh, but
In your notebook. Because that's a movie.
No, for real. I think Katy Perry going into space is like one of the funniest things that has happened in our youth. I think we're going to talk about this for ages.
For sure.
I
I have a feeling history पढ़ने वाले बच्चे अगले जन्मों में ये पढ़ेंगे कि
It's
geography
just-
ऐसे भी होती है.
she's so fucking corny with her little Daisy. She's like, she goes near the camera in the space shuttle. She's like, please put in a clip here. And it was so fun. And she, because like her daughter's name is Daisy. And she came down, she's like, daisies. I took this up
Honestly-
because daisies are so resilient.
Got it? 1, 2, 3. Taking up space!
Dabang move.
And they grew.
Dabang move. Honestly, like I'm not gonna lie, dabang move.
She's ready.
She's so ready for.
Y'all are really good at this. I'm not even thinking. Unlike Katy Perry in space, she didn't plan on it. She was like, I'm not gonna sing. But then while coming down, she did a one alap, I think.
And
it
she
was
think she was
apparently-
in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum or what? Like, what the fuck is happening?
Yeah,
Okay,
she was
guys.
all like spinny with like Shah Rukh Khan. And then he dies, remember?
Ravan, na?
I saw this other meme that was like the astronauts stuck in space looking at these celebrities. They're like, imagine if they're still stuck in space and they sent more people.
No, they're back.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know. But I said
okay.
imagine.
Oh, अच्छा.
Wow.
That would be crazy.
And they were just like, ये क्यों आए यहाँ पे?
Real.
Bro, हम फंस गए.
So now you have to basically describe the other two as to someone who's never met you before,
Okay.
and your rule or your challenge is going to be that after every 3 words you have to basically say the 4th word in an accent, and the accents can't be the same every time.
What the hell?
No, the accents. I don't know that many accents.
Whoever falters first is going to lose, and whoever maintains as many accents as possible throughout their talking
Okay.
wins.
Has to be a
God.
different language and different accent.
No, only
Just a different accent.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
You can take like 30-40 seconds to think about it.
We'll
There
do
are
you
so
first.
many. Okay. No, you have to do the other two. Zia will do us. Then I'll do yours.
That's what.
Who wants
So
to
who
go
am I
first?
introducing?
The other two.
Okay,
Me.
yeah, yeah,
Anyone
yeah,
but
yeah.
you.
All right. So, hi, random person.
Yes.
This is my friend Sanjana, and she is currently what?
You don't point out the
Oh.
falters.
She is currently unemployed, and she's looking for a job.
Unemployed job.
But she does not want to work in a latrine ass job. But she is looking and she is desperate.
Why is my description only subjected to
Because
my
I don't
job?
have the capacity to do the accents and change the topic.
You have miscounted.
Okay, it doesn't exactly have to be 3 words.
Yeah, see, exactly.
Every sentence has to have an accent.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
But you should obviously offer her a job because she's giving off a siren right now. And this is Dhritika. She's actually currently kind of part-time working.
I'm working late.
And she just gave a competitive exam which was
I did.
really difficult. I believe that she's going to get into a really good college. And she's going to get her master's from बिहारी जी आपका फोन बज रहा है कृपया थोड़ा कष्ट करके अपना फोन उठा लीजिए मिस्टर बिहारी जी
I don't know if this episode is gonna go up.
truly I truly don't know. Continue.
It has to.
Okay, I'm going next. Okay, so this is my friend Dhritika, and she is one of the hottest. I'm doing everything in
Everything
an
in an
accent.
accent.
So this is one of my favorite minimalist queens. I love Dhritika because she pulls off minimalism like no one else. She is extremely proud. Oh, this is so tough.
Do you understand?
She is extremely proud of her minimalism. Coming to my best friend, Zia.
Hi. Coming to my breast friend.
Coming to my best friend, Zia. She is the party queen. If I ever know one. If I've ever met one.
Never partied like
She is a party queen only at home. Because she doesn't go out.
She's a
as much.
homebody.
She's a home party girl. She will do your makeup really well and bake goodies for you. I know. I'm doing everything in an accent, but fuck you.
I'm Irish.
I'm Irish, mate.
I'm Irish. Love that shit.
Dhritika.
This is gonna be a treat.
I don't know how I'm gonna watch this episode.
I'm not going to watch this
I'm
episode.
not gonna watch this episode.
Cut that out.
I'm gonna start with Sanjana. She is
Shanjana, Bengali.
I forgot only. I forgot to do all the Indian accents.
I was only singing to British.
British, yeah. Speaking of Sanjana, she is one of the most how do I put it? She is one of the most passionate people I have ever met in my life. She has so many different talents to her that I cannot fathom it at all. The fact that this woman can do
That was really good. The woman.
so much. Just one person who has all these talents. I am envious of her sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. And I just love the woman that she is. Speaking of Zia, I'm gonna lose the accent now, enough. Speaking of Zia,
It was enough 3 minutes ago.
It was enough before it even started.
speaking of Zia, Zia is one of the most, She is a new nail tech.
My nail tech now, sorry, keep a little
DM
secret.
for free.
This JJ right here
free
does slay nails every single time that you see her. This shade is from
Dior.
her. That shade is also
Amazing.
from Zia. Please show it. Yep. And what do I say about Zia?
You're talking to somebody that has never met me.
Zia is a very opinionated person, and I love that fact about her. She strongly believes a lot of things, and
Most people do.
I'm just trying to get
Opposed
burnt out.
opposed to weekly.
This is so difficult. Wow.
And we are best friends. Best
We are
friends.
best friends, guys.
We are best of friends. We have never
Best of friend though.
Oh,
Is that not Japanese?
What if I'm not burnt out, just chronically tired? And the rule that you have to follow for this one is that you have to add a fake fact
Oh wow.
in the middle of your things.
Wow.
Make it so the way I'll be judging this round is whoever makes the least amount of random facts loses, and the one who
Loses.
makes the most wins.
Okay. So I strongly believe that I am just chronically tired, and there was a point where I was burnt out in college. And fun fact, like around 82% of women get more tired because they have to juggle work and like household chores because it's predominantly considered to be like a woman's
Yeah.
job.
I've also come across
But
this
I
study,
think-
like you mentioned about college,
Yeah.
where there was this study that was conducted where this is basically in school, not in college, where students use pencil and erasers to do their writing work, and those students were much more tired. The ones who used an eraser to erase something written from a pencil were much more tired as compared to students who would use their spit to wipe it off, because there's a study that
Oh,
says,
yeah,
I read that.
Oh my
Right?
god,
There's
yeah.
a
The
study
more,
that
the lazier
says-
that you are, the
Yes.
less driven that you
Exactly.
are.
So
And that's
if you
exactly.
if you use your spit to just wipe it off, it's less energy, right? So
I-
you are saving energy.
Oh my
like
god,
that.
I saw this BuzzFeed video which exactly explained this, and I was mind blown. Oh my god, I didn't know that was true.
That's exactly
true.
what my thought process is, because see, the lazier that you are, the better you're going to want to get your work done. Like if you see like fun fact, like you know how bees are creating their own food, right? They're self-sufficient,
Right.
but because humans use them, their intelligence is more. Because humans are taking up their own food, the bees ka food,
Food,
and
yes.
you know they're basically exploiting them.
Yeah.
When you're a lazy person, you learn how to exploit.
Yeah, but I feel coming back to the whole, getting burnt out and being chronically tired, I get up in the morning thinking that, oh, today I'm going to have a productive day, this, that. But then, bro, I get up and I'm tired. Like, I think there's a very fine line between being burnt out and just being chronically tired. Because I also saw this other study which said 20% of women are so caught up in this rat race. It's funny how it's so less, that 20% of the women are so caught up in this rat race that they've blurred the lines between the two, and they're just constantly working.
And
also
Right.
because this 20% are the same women who are the breadwinners of the family.
That's,
nobody talks about how women have to move more than men when it comes to keeping the family together, and a woman would move for a man's job, but a
Right.
man wouldn't do the same for a woman, and then that's why they're not able to create a lot of strong connections in their career, and their career
Yeah.
falters, especially with divorce rates going up to 58% now.
Did you know that men... I'm sorry, did you finish your point?
No, I did not.
Oh shit, I'm so sorry, continue.
Which is why women feel more demotivated to actually accomplish their career goals. They have to take longer breaks for maternity. They have to take longer breaks for getting married, and a man can just go right back. So their
Yeah.
productivity levels are
Decrease.
higher.
You know,
Hmm.
coming to maternity leaves, there was this article that I read which said that men also have certain amounts of, you know how women have mammary glands, of course, and
Yes.
they produce milk.
Hmm.
Men could also do that to a certain like to certain years ago.
Mhm.
Men could breastfeed. Did you know that?
Yo.
But that's true in whales still.
Yeah.
Male whales. Male whales are still able to feed
I
the
think
little baby whales.
exactly, and I think
Wow.
if men could still breastfeed kids, I think that would just remove so much pressure off the women. And I
Now
think
that you
then-
mentioned that fact,
I think then people would just be burnt out for a little bit, like a smaller period as compared to being chronically tired.
Exactly. And now that you mentioned the fact about breastfeeding, men breastfeeding, I came across this article where they're trying to, get men take some sort of medicine that allows them to be able to produce milk and, feed their child.
I
But
love that.
it also gives them some sort of energy to, when they come back from work, they're able to help their wives or their mothers or whatever in various household work. So the work is divided, and then it's more of both working at the same time, both putting in equal efforts in the household, and that's why both of them are equally tired. So there is
Also-
no I am more tired, I am
Yeah.
less tired. We're both equally into this.
Yeah, let's
situation.
not do the work.
More,
Let's not do the work. Exactly.
more so nowadays, kids are like not wishing for very strenuous jobs because they're like, oh, I could just be a YouTuber and make a bunch of money. So the newer generations, they're gonna find new ways of making
Definitely.
money.
I also read something very similar, but it spoke about the repercussions on their kids.
Oh.
And it said 50% of those kids don't survive.
No, sir, what are you saying?
Cut.
They don't survive.
Okay, we're done with this.
Oh my god.
What the fuck was that?
What is this episode?
All lies.
This will be the last one. Talk to me about your favorite memory with each other. And in this round,
Why? I can just do that. I love these people.
in this round, you have to talk in a baby voice. And since this is the last round, I will be timing it. And
Okay.
you guys have 10 minutes to talk about this. So everybody gets your, you have to make sure that you get your, do not overtalk, but get your points in, because I will be judging it based off of how much y'all spoken, how much y'all adhered to everything. Okay. Your time starts now.
I love these people so much. I
I
can't
also
even.
love you.
Who is that? Who are you
Me?
talking
Who
like?
are you talking
I'm
like?
talking like a baby.
Cutie. Wear your pants.
My pants are down. But oh my god, I love you guys so much.
I love you
I
so
think-
much more.
I think one of my favorite memories of all of us,
Hmm.
including Shrishti, is that when
Shruti, we miss you.
we
miss
do.
you, Shrishti.
But like one of my favorite things is that when we hang out at Shrishti's house.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so much fun.
My
It's such a
favorite
relaxing point. I completely forget about all my worries.
Are you a 10-year-old baby or a 4-year-old baby?
You have to be like, you just learned RSV.
Yeah.
You don't even know how to do it, and your
Em-
grammar is ass.
Embrace the cringe. Let your
Do you
goosebumps come out.
Shanjana,
Yes,
do you
yeah.
remember that one time when we went back? Shrishti Didi was driving.
Driving?
driving, and
She was
we
on the
were-
car.
She was on the car.
doing
and
vroom
she was
vroom.
really doing vroom vroom. And she took us back to school, and then we had that slice
Oh
of that from the sandwich wala.
That
with
took me
the
back.
extra chutney me.
I wanted to do poo poo after that.
You're potty trained, no? So
my
mama taught you how to potty, no?
My
Sanjana
mama
always
potty
has to go
trained.
to the poo poo every time she eats
I
anything.
love doing
She
potty. I
she
love
does
doing
a
number
lot
two.
of potty.
Lot
But
of.
with Ritika, I feel like one of my favorite memories with Ritika has to be when remember when we would go to that bakery after college? And we used to eat
used to eat so much.
so much.
Did they have
food.
chocolate
Tasty
milk there?
food.
They did not have anything
They
to
did not
drink,
have.
but
I love chocolate
And
was
it
milk.
made me
a-
very upset.
Your stomach upset? Did you
It
make
made
poo-poo?
me upset because they
we
didn't
used
have
to go
chocolate
there.
milk.
We used to go there to poo poo all the time because our washrooms were really
Dirty.
dirty.
Like Mama told me not to go
but
there.
it was
I
smelling
think-
bad.
So bad.
Guys, I think one of my favorite memories of all four of us has to be when we went on those rides in
Oh my
Magica.
I was so
God.
scared.
It
Mama
was
told
so
me.
scary. I wanted to hold all of your hands and go on that, and we had so much fun because then we
Mama-
had burgers and fries
Fries,
and Pepsi. Oh my
It
god!
was the best day of my
I
life.
remember Mama telling me, "Okay, when you go with your friends, don't leave any of their hands and walk in a straight line.
I did
Do
not.
not go alone anywhere."
And it was the
Same.
cutest to meet that auntie that was from our
Oh my
same school.
Yes, that was shit. Auntie was so
That auntie
She was a little old,
sweet.
but she was so cute.
She was like
Hmm.
maybe 20 years old.
I think she was a little older than that.
She had
Yes.
a
She
stick
looked
also.
older.
So that's like 21.
21.
I would say 25.
to Bapre, that is so old.
That is like
She spoke like an old lady. She spoke like how my daddy speaks to me when I
Your
come home.
daddy
your
is
daddy is
21.
older than 22.
Yes, my daddy I think is 25 because she sometimes now she uses a stick and everything. So I think she that lady that we met is the same age as my daddy.
But she was very cute.
She was very
I
sweet.
loved talking to her.
asked
She
me-
gave me a lollipop after you all went.
She asked me if we
Aw.
ate food and she said that if you want a thepla,
Do
you
y'all
can
remember
have.
we
I'm
met
actually
her?
so hungry right now.
Do y'all
I'm so
remember?
hungry.
Do y'all remember we met her before we left? And
Yeah,
then we
she
said
gave
her
us a flying
goodbye and
kissy.
everything. That
She was a
was
flying
very
kissy.
sweet.
That was really sweet.
That was very sweet.
Vaichi, I can't do this anymore.
There's like 5 more minutes left.
Oh, fuck right off. Fuck
One of-
right off.
One of my favorite memories of us also has to be when we go to eat pani puri together, and then all of us.
guys, anything we do is my favorite memory.
That is so
My-
sweet to
I want-
share.
I know.
One thing I remember about the pani puri is
It's
when
the
we,
4.
four
more.
and then every time we had I had to leave early from classes, we would go to that uncle.
Dosha wala, no?
No, we would go to that pani puri uncle.
We also had dosha.
Yes, but we used to.
Yes! Yes, Ritika!
But we used to go to that. But we used to go to that pani puri uncle besides our classes.
He would also give us free sukha puri at the end.
Wouldn't he?
His sukha puri was so good.
So good. It,
It
would
was
fill my
nice.
little tummy
I
up.
couldn't have the whole thing. I used to have half and then I used to eat.
My mama also told me to not have pani puri from anyone
Because
else.
it's dirty,
My
no? They
mama
use
Because
dirty water.
My mama said to put susu in the water.
Same.
My mama also told me not to eat pani puri during rainy season because they make it with
Gutter
dirty
water. Gutter water.
Dirty water.
Yeah, and then it makes my little stomach upset
And then
How
my
do you know your
mama,
stomach is little?
because I'm also little. So
You are
my
little?
stomach is also little now.
my
Fair.
mama also told me to not have the pani puri because she said that,
अलग ही बच्चा बन गई है.
She is my
She's-
little sister.
she said that they put susu, and then I asked her their mama did not tell them how to use the potty, and
Oh my
then
God.
she
But-
said that they know how to use the potty, but they don't have money, so they don't have a potty in
no,
their
I
house.
But
think-
then their
but
mama
like-
should have taught them how to be clean and hygienic, no? Like wash your
Guys.
hands.
Yes, my mama said that they don't sometimes have mama.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I can share.
The question
I can
is favorite
share,
memories.
I can share my mama with them. But guys, one of my favorite memories.
I
What?
can share my mama with them. But guys, one of my favorite memories.
One of my favorite memories is when we were in our tuitions together. Because that is where our friendship began.
Oh my god.
Because that
Do you
because
remember?
because I'm talking. Because Dhritika used to sit next to me, and then I used to sit next to Dhritika, and then Zia used to sit next to Srishti behind, and then
No,
I
I
used
used
to
to sit
that was
next
not
to
how
you.
it was.
most of
I
the
used to
time-
sit next to you.
Oh my god!
Yes,
Because then
I would sit in the first bench, and then
You used to
Shrishti would
sit.
sit
This
next
was when
to us.
we were 2 years old, right?
Yes.
Yes, two.
Now we are 5.
Now we're 5.
Oh my
But
god, guys!
one of
my
my-
birthday is coming up. Will you all come for my birthday?
My favorite memory was your birthday
Birthday
party.
My
The
first
jalebi.
birthday. My first birthday. No.
When your
The
dad
jalebi
did the
game was
jalebi
so
game.
cute.
The
Like, we
jalebi
were
game.
struggling to jump
I know,
up
and
eat
then,
the
and then
jalebi.
my papa, he carried me, and then he made me have the jalebi.
He was so small at
I
that
know,
time.
we all were so small.
We were so small.
What will be our favorite memory when we grow up?
I think us all.
I think I would love to go to college with all of you together.
Yeah.
We should be in the same college for forever.
I think we should just be
We should
together
be in college forever.
yes.
My didi said that if you get a lot of backs, you can stay in college
What
for a
is
long
back?
time.
Back?
No, it's like
I have one back
It's
only.
like you have to give retest again and again.
What is Rita?
Which means you fail?
Yeah, you have to fail. What is fail?
I only pass.
My didi
Pass
told me.
shit.
My didi told me that when small kids fail, it is not a good sign.
It's
It
a bad
means-
sign.
It
that
means
they
that
are-
the kid is very dumb and stupid. I don't know what these words mean, but they sound like mean words.
Do you remember when you
What?
used to come back from tuition? You used to
Yes.
always beat me if I said something.
What
Don't
is- What is?
you used to always beat me if I said a bad word.
That's what
my-
I don't like to say
my-
bad words at
My
all.
But it
mama
was
told
so
me it's a
cute
bad
when
word.
you
You should not use
Shut
it.
the up!
You should not use it, but my 3 isn't time. Fuck.
Somebody fucking fix this mic.
Somebody fucking fixed his mic. no.
You are also saying the bad word.
After that, oh my god.
Wow.
I'm fucking tired.
After
Bitch,
that
my brain's fried right now.
abomination,
Abomination.
my brain is fried. I can't speak anymore.
Words are like woo woo.
My jaw hurts. I can't
Wow.
see clearly anymore.
Bitch, I can't think clearly.
Thinking clearly has lost
Lost?
in the beginning of the episode.
I agree.
I have a practical in 2 days. I don't think I'll be able to give my viva.
You can share it in baby
I was literally going to say it
voice. You can share it in baby voice.
Anyway, guys, this is all that we could do for today.
Hmm.
And before we reveal the loser, we
Or
want
the
you to
winner.
guess who came first, second, and third, or whatever the public opinion is of who should be first,
yeah,
second, and
bro,
third.
just say anything in the comments, yeah. Like, just
No,
cut
they are
it.
not as fed up as we are.
actually true.
Yeah,
just
if
say
they
the first,
watched
second,
up
third.
until this point, they probably liked the episode. And if you like the episode, you should subscribe because I'm
Yes.
watching.
And if you watched it up until now, comment the baby emoji in the comments.
Comment the baby and maybe is there like
Baby and maybe.
is there like a jamela emoji? Like, is there like a
brain explode emoji?
brain explosion emoji? Please comment that because that's what my
Please.
That's what's
state
happening to us
is
right now.
now.
Wow.
Anyway,
Okay, so coming to
so-
guessing who won, I strongly believe that I lost. I really feel like I've come third.
Same.
I know I have not lost, but I know I've not done well.
I feel like I've lost. I think I've come third because I couldn't do the baby talk. I couldn't do it.
Yeah, to agree. Anyway, so now for the
Reveal.
of who's come last.
Okay, so
Drum roll, please.
Bitch, don't be me.
हाँ है ना हमारे पास soundboard भी है हमारे
Do
पास.
so it was actually a tie between Zia and Sanjana, and it
I
is-
really thought I was coming third, bro. I really thought.
It is Dhritika who's lost.
Oh no.
So the loser basically has to eat really spicy ramen.
While talking.
Okay.
Yeah, while talking. And the topic could be given by the two of you. Like you can select something that they're gonna struggle with, that she's gonna struggle with, and she also does it.
Let's
while
make her
eating
talk
spicy.
about her passion of cars.
I was gonna say, bro, my mouth is watering.
I'm not going to
I
struggle
wish-
with that.
Yeah, she won't.
I'm
Yeah,
not
but
gonna
you're
struggle
gonna-
with that.
Okay, fine.
Something difficult. Oh my god, we should make her solve math equations.
Oh, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all.
That's a good idea.
Oh my god, no.
Like we'll give you simple math equations. to
Mental
solve.
math?
Yes.
Fuck y'all. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing this shit on fucking camera. I've done the abacus, but I'm not doing this.
Guys, we
I
are going
like
to
this.
make her have very spicy ramen while she attempts to solve
Math.
word problems.
Pull
Bitch,
it up.
I need
pull
a
it
pen
up.
and a paper for
What
that.
is really too much? I feel math equations like 5 divided by
Fine.
10.
Okay,
whatever,
okay,
whatever.
okay. What's 5 divided by 10?
Half. 1 upon
That's
2.
really smart.
Okay, we're gonna bring in the ramen
Okay.
for the
Okay,
loser.
Ramen alert. Okay, so we have the ramen and we have some sums for her. Maitri is going to dictate them.
Okay, so the first one is, what is 12 plus 15?
27.
Right.
Can't be that easy, Maitri.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
What is 10 into 12?
120.
Okay. What
She's good.
is 81 divided by 9?
9.
Okay. What do you need to add
Say it in the
to
mic.
45 that gives 100?
Come again?
What do you need to add to 45 that gives
55.
Okay.
55.
Okay. What is 10% of 200?
20.
Okay. What is 36 divided by 6?
6.
Okay, now I'm gonna go a little harder.
Mhm.
What is 478 plus 639?
Come again with the question.
478 plus 369. It's 339.
8, 9, 10, 11, 1. I want something.
No, this is mental maths.
Repeat the question again.
478 plus 639.
15,
Even I don't know actually.
478 plus
6.
639.
400 plus 600 वैसे करना.
That's too much for me.
100.
I don't
Okay,
know,
I'll just
honestly.
move
That's
on to
too
the
much.
next one.
78, 1000 and something.
What is 88 into 11?
Eat.
Yeah, you gotta eat too.
968.
Yeah. What is 625 divided by 25?
25.
Okay.
That's a square of it.
I'm honestly just concentrating on the noodles. And I really want to bite.
I do too.
Jyotika, jaldi kar.
Guys,
मुझे
this is
bite
supposed to
करना
be
है.
like a punishment. What the fuck?
I am hungry.
But like she's slaying at it.
What is 15% of 640?
Jessica, eat.
of 15% of
15% of 640.
3, 3, 2, 1, 30, 2, 64?
No, that's
60.
96.
96.
Okay,
I didn't even try.
I guess last question. What is the cube of 7?
196.
No, it's 343. She's great at math, guys.
She's
pretty
actually so
good.
good. Why do you hate this
Yeah.
so much?
I think you get scared when it's more than just one, like, if it's more than just addition. If there's addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, then
You
in the
take
same
time,
equation.
but you know how to do it.
Of course, I know how to do it. I did it for like 2 months straight.
Yeah, that helped, honestly.
that helped.
That did
that
help,
helped.
honestly.
The topic was not even that difficult for you. We want you to say what you actually hate about us.
That they might not even know.
That we might not even know.
Yeah.
About Sanjana, I hate the fact that she does not listen at times. where I'm saying
Huh.
something or some just like what happened right now. I'm either narrating a story and she's on her phone, or not throughout, but like maybe sometimes she's using her phone, then she misses a detail of the story, and then she
That is
has the fucking audacity to ask, "Ki ye kab hua?"
Again and again and again.
Yeah, and
Yes.
that's damn
True.
pissing off.
Yeah.
I agree.
And the fact about Zia is sometimes she is very rigid with certain of her opinions, and she doesn't have an open mind to them. I mean, yeah,
Yes.
it's fair to have your opinion, but if somebody is sort of contradicting it, you need to have an open mind to listen to what they're saying and not just put forth your point. And that's a little pissing off sometimes.
Shots fired.
That's that. That's that.
Okay, queens.
I do
that.
do that. I do that a lot. I do that.
You do that. Do.
Anyway,
Oh, also Shrushti. We
Super
missed
slapping.
Shrushti.
Oh, bitch! Srushti,
Where do I start?
where do I fucking start? Wait. This has happened so many times when Suresh and I have gone out for some of her work. And she expects me to entertain myself while she is on a call with somebody for fucking hours. This has happened not once, many times where I have gone with her for some of her work and she is on a fucking call with somebody I don't fucking know. That person shouldn't be relevant because I'm there with her.
True. Oh, yes, finish. I don't want my...
And that's damn pissing off about her.
This had happened to us in school. We were coming back from 7th grade. I'll tell you, we were coming back home from 7th grade from school, and we were walking back home, and somehow she got a phone to school for some reason.
Yeah, she was
Yeah,
that kid.
and we decided we'll go home walking together today, and
Hmm.
she's on call with someone throughout the trip.
walk home.
Yes. The walk home, and that's like a good 20-25 minute walk.
Yeah.
Aram se.
The entire way she's on the phone with someone, and I'm just like walking beside her like a fucking NPC, bro.
Exactly. And that's damn pissing
I'm
off.
like,
So yeah,
Shit
this
together.
is why you need to subscribe to this channel and like this video,
Take a sip.
comment.
It's damn good.
Oh.
The soup is better than the noodle.
comment the mind explosion
And the baby
and the
emoji.
baby emoji, and
I
continue,
need
guys.
the hell out of this.
And if you're watching us on Instagram, don't forget to like our reels, dude. Follow us on there at We Are Besharam and comment good things.
And DM
Except-
us with new ideas
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we're always looking to it.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it. Looking forward to do cool shit like this.
Yes.
Your wish is our command.
Anyway,
Bye.
until next time.
Stay
Besharam. Bye.